Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok is not showing the photo mode. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, first of all, you should check for the updates for your TikTok application. If your TikTok is into the old version, it won't show the photo mode because the photo mode is a new feature and you need to update your application to get the photo mode. Now in order to check that, just simply open up any of your Play Store or App Store into your device depending on which platform that you are using, and after that search TikTok, and if it shows the update icon instead of open, then just simply update your TikTok application, then you will probably get the photo mode. And after updating the application, just simply open your TikTok and into there just simply tap into this plus icon. Now after updating your TikTok application, you will get this photo option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.